Very good morning to one and all. Welcome to Rajesh Sir's English class. Here in our previous class, I have discussed demonstrative pronouns. In that, we learned how to use this, that, these, those. And we also learned how to use with the nouns and how to use with adjectives. In this class, I am going to discuss a new topic and it's a very important topic. Let's see. Here, what are we seeing in this image? Whose image is this? Yes, you are right. It's the image of famous hero. And he is known as Bahubali. What's the name of the hero? Prabhas. Here, who is in the image? Or whose image is this? What are you seeing? These are all the questions. Here, see the another image. Who is in this image? Bald head Bala. What's the name of the hero? Akshay Kumar. Here, the same way. Who is in the image? Whose image is this? What are you seeing? Here, whom do you like? When showing the two images, we are specifically asking you in these two images, whom do you like? Otherwise, if you are giving a number of images, we are asking who is your favorite hero? These are the questions we are asking to know something, whether the noun or noun phrase. Our today's topic is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Here the interrogate means asking questions. Asking questions to know something. As we learned in the previous classes, at the time of interrogative sentences, we learn what is interrogative, and we are using WH questions for making questions. And we also other way to create the questions using helping verbs. But here this is interrogative pronouns. Here we are using pronouns for making questions, and these pronouns we are using as WH words. WH words. WH words we are using for making questions, and they treated as interrogative pronouns. Here we have very few interrogative pronouns and mainly 5. What are they? See. Who, whom, whose, what, and which. Here what are they? Who, whom, whose, what, which. These are the words we are using as interrogative pronouns. When we are using these interrogative pronouns, the answer we get as noun or noun phrase. Here these are the words we also used as questions. But when we use these words for knowing the noun or noun phrase, this type of words we call interrogative pronouns and they treated as pronouns. How we use? Let's see. Here who. Generally we are asking to know this who for the relations and we are using with the persons only. Persons only. This is very, very important. We have to know who used for persons only. Here example, who is your father? Or what is your father name? What is your father name? Here whom. This whom also we are using for persons only. Here whom do you want? Whom do you want? For possessive, we are using this whose. Here whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? Means for possessive we are using whose. Here who and whom. Here who is used as subjective pronoun and here the whom used as objective pronoun. Here see subjective pronoun. Subjective pronoun we use as I, she, he, etc. And here objective pronoun we use as mine, her, his, etc. See with example, here see Rajesh met his friend Naveen at the school last night. Rajesh met his friend Naveen at the school last night. Here one is in the place of subjective and here the noun is in the place of objective. For knowing them, we are using these interrogative pronouns. For knowing the subject case, we are asking the question, who met Naveen at the school? Here are the answer we will get as Rajesh. And here this who we used as subjective case. And here for knowing the object we are asking the question with whom did Rajesh meet? Whom did Rajesh meet? Here the answer is Naveen. So here with the subjective pronoun we use who, as objective pronoun we are using whom. And here what. For asking the common things. Common. We are using what? Imagine that if you went to a supermarket or a shop, grocery shop, and here the person asks you, what do you want? Generally he asks you the question, what do you want? What do you want? If you say, if you want a specific thing, so you say that I want pen. And here another question he asks you, which pen do you want? Here this is a common question for asking you when many things are there. Here this question we are asking for specific. Here you need pen, and here he is asking that which pen you want, whether the black or blue. We are using in this way, what and which. Here the what we are asking to generally knowing the questions. Here if you met any new person, you want to know something about him, about their parent and something, you are asking what is your name, what is your father name, what is your brother name, what is your sister name, what is your school name, what is your college name. In this way we are taking the information. If you want to ask about the things, we are using which. Which is your favorite color? Which is your favorite pet? Which is your favorite car? In this way, we are asking the questions using which. Which book do you want? Which book do you want? In this way, we are using which. We learn this with the examples. Here is few examples for interrogative pronouns to understand the concept well. Here see, who. Who we are using for persons. Persons only. Here, who are you? Who is she? Who spoke to you? Who taught the highest video classes? Who is your favorite hero? Who gave you that phone? Who asked you to sit? These are all the questions we are asking to know the person or noun phrase. Here, who says that? Here we are asking this question to know the person who says that. Maybe Ravi, maybe Rani, maybe someone else. Who goes there? Here also we want to know the person who went there. For asking who persons, we are using who. Here in the same way, whom. Just now I taught you the difference between who and whom. Whom we are using in the object case, and we also use to know the person. Whom did you speak to? Whom? The name we are asking. Whom do you prefer to vote? Here is a situation, here the elections are going on. At the time you generally ask to whom you prefer to vote. Whom did you see? To whom were you speaking? In this way we are using whom. Here whose, as you told you, we are using it for possessive or possession. Here person or thing, we are using this. Whose this umbrella? Whose this pen? Or whose this mobile? Or whose parents are those? Whose pens are these? In this way we are using. Write few examples using who, whom and whose. Few examples with what and which. How to use them. What? Used for persons or people or things. Here, what is your mother name? Here we know the answer as people are person. The name of a person. What is your father's name? What is your friend's name? What have you found? If you are somewhere hidden and you are doing something, here generally your friends ask you, what have you done? Or what have you found? What did you say? What was it all about? Here, what is sweeter than honey? Here we are doing comparison. What is sweeter than something? Here we have to mention the name. What is sweeter than this? What are you? What is he? What is this man? This type of questions we are asking to refer profession or work. For knowing the work or profession, we are asking this type of question, not for refer to person. For referring profession or the work of a man or woman, we are asking this type of question. What are you? I am a doctor. In this way we will get the answer. What is he? He is a police. What is this man? This man is a billionaire. In this way we are asking the questions using what. Here which. We are using this which both for persons and things. But generally with the things we are using and the persons for the selection we are using. Here which are your books? Here few books are there and we are asking those which books are yours. Which of those pens is yours? Same as here the books but here the pens. Which of the pictures do you like best? Here the many pictures and which picture do you like the best? Which will you take? Here for the selections we are asking this type of questions. Here for knowing the persons we are asking the questions. Which of the boys saw him? Here the group of boys are there from that selection. Which of the boys saw him? Which of you has done this? For knowing the person's name also we are using which. Here use them with your own sentences, and while reading the paper or any book you find the questions which are asked by using interrogative pronouns and memorize them and use in your daily speech. Here just you learn interrogative pronouns. What are the interrogative pronouns? Here who, whom, whose, which and what. Here we can also form compound pronouns. Here for making it a compound pronouns we are adding few suffix to make it into compound interrogative pronouns. What are the suffix we are using? Ever, so ever. Here see what, it's a interrogative pronoun and we are adding suffix as ever, whatever, whatever happened, I don't mind. Here whatsoever, here we are adding so ever. Here the possibility to use ever and so ever with what and whichever, whichever the book you want. Here which is a interrogative pronoun and we are adding the suffix ever. In the same way, whoever, whosoever. Here whosoever. We are adding, possible to add both ever and so ever with who. Whomever, whomsoever. We are using this compound interrogative pronouns. Here, whoever told you so? Whatever are you doing? This type of questions we are making with this compound interrogative pronouns. Use this in your own sentences, and while you are reading, you please, if you find these words, underline it and try to learn the correct usage of these words. Worksheet for interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns worksheet. Use the correct form of the interrogative pronoun. What? Correct form of the interrogative pronoun in the following sentences. As we learned, we have 5 interrogative pronouns. They are who, whose, whom, what, which. Here read these sentences and which pronouns comes in these brackets, you fill it. First one, with dash were you talking. Second, dash do you think I am. Third one, about dash are you looking. Fourth one, by dash was the book written. The fifth one, dash came here yesterday. Here read these sentences carefully and write the correct interrogative pronouns in the space. Thank you. Keep watching.